Welcome everyone. Here is how to remove SIM card from Google Pixel phones. So first of all, if you have your old Pixel box, what you're looking for is the SIM ejector tool. So you can see it is right here. However, if you have other phone boxes, you can just look for SIM ejector tools inside of there. Those other phone ejector tools will work on the Pixel. Alternatively, if you don't have a SIM ejector tool, you can use a pin or a paper clip. You can bend it out so it has like a straight line, and you just need something with a thin end like this. The next step is we need to look for the SIM card slot. So here it is on one Google Pixel. You're looking for an outline and a hole. Now don't mistake that for these random holes on the Pixel. This is just a microphone. If you accidentally put the SIM ejector tool in the microphone area, it won't cause damage, so don't worry. Now let's use two other pixels as an example. So you can see that outline in the hole. That would be the SIM card slot on this pixel. And then this older Google Pixel, you can see the same outline in the hole, just like that. So once you have located the SIM card slot, we will insert the thin end of the SIM ejector tool into the hole of the SIM card slot. And then we'll just push down. And then you can see you can stop pushing when the SIM card tray has partially ejected. We now can use our thumb to just take the SIM card tray out of the Pixel. Now, typically, if you flip the SIM card tray, just slightly tap it on the desk, you can see the SIM card will fall out. However, if that doesn't work, so for whatever reason, the SIM card is just not falling out, then you can just poke these holes with your SIM ejector tool, and then that will forcefully push out the SIM card. So from here, we can either put the SIM card back in, or if we're going to put a new SIM card in the phone, just match the ridge of the SIM card with the ridge of the SIM card tray, and then it should just fit in nice and flush like this. The Google Pixel only has one physical SIM card slot, so you can't have a dual SIM setup. Now, once you have put the SIM card in the tray, it should just be as simple as pushing the SIM card tray back into the phone and rub it in. If you are struggling with any of this, just flip the SIM card tray the other way around, and then you should be good to go. Now, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.